Hey there! Today, we're going to talk about something you've probably heard a lot about: apple cider vinegar. But have you ever wondered why it's so popular? Is it really as good as everyone says? Well, the short answer is yes, and Dr. Berg has explained it all. Apple cider vinegar's magic comes from something called acetic acid, which helps balance the pH levels in your body, turning an overly alkaline body into a slightly alkaline one, just what we need to stay healthy. Let's dive into the real benefits. Many people have blood that's too alkaline, often due to stress. This can lead to problems like poor mineral transport, sluggish metabolism, and even digestive issues like heartburn or acid reflux. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps balance this by making your body's pH more optimal, so your thyroid can work better and you'll feel more energetic. Plus, if you're someone who deals with indigestion or GERD, apple cider vinegar could be a lifesaver. It helps the valve at the top of your stomach close, easing those uncomfortable acid reflux symptoms. But that's not all. Stress often makes the body too alkaline, and this can stop calcium absorption, leading to muscle cramps or twitches. Apple cider vinegar not only helps absorb calcium but also keeps your potassium levels in check. It can even cleanse your body of harmful alkaline waste that may cause nerve pain or arthritis. Dr. Berg also mentions how apple cider vinegar helps fight off colds and fevers by balancing your pH and giving your immune system a boost. Now, what's the simplest way to use it? Dr. Berg shares a simple drink: mix 2 teaspoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of organic lemon juice, and cranberry juice in water. Add ginger for extra benefits. Drink this before meals, and you'll not only feel better but could also lose weight. So, if you're feeling sluggish, dealing with digestion issues, or just want a natural boost to your health, apple cider vinegar might be the answer. Try the simple drink Dr. Berg recommends, and see how it works for you. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more health tips.